This we need to transform our mesh first before we do the white painting. Also, I have found another error with the wrist. We have a kind of extra bone here, as you can see. This bone here. So what I will do, I will just delete the bone by pressing H and delete bone. So even though we have deleted the bone, the weight paint or it will still be in the our mesh. So I can show you how to fix it. So maybe we can define our ridge first. So in the post mode, we have to turn on the symmetry setting again. Let's send deformation like this. Okay. And to check it, the white painting is working well or not. Okay, let's see our character like this. And we will go back to the object mode, select this object, and we will go to the white paint mode by pressing Ctrl and Tab and choose white paint. So this is the white paint mode of our character. Before I do any further adjustment, I want to show you how to fix the error I have made. So we have to go to the object data property where Blender store the white paint button group here. So we have to find the button group, which is the spine 03.002. So we don't want this button group, so I would like to remove it. So we don't need it. We just have to press the minus to remove it. Okay, select this extra button group. We don't need this. And press this one. Select this one and press minus. Remove button group. Okay, and it will remove it. So before we do the white painting, I would like to download the symmetry setting in the white painting again. To symmetrize the white painting from the left side to the right side. So we only have to do it for just one side of our character. It will make things easier. So I will just stand on this H. So it will automatically translate it onto the right side of our character if we do some modification in the left side. And if we did modification in the left side, it will automatically translate to the left side. So and then we don't need to fix anything except some line out some of the mesh. So what I will show you right now is this blur tool. And when we use this tool, it will blur out the white paint of our character like this. On the upper end, and maybe we can blur out the white paint between the joint so it becomes smoother when we define the mesh. So just move it out like this. As you can see, the mesh change. Also, since we have done on the symmetry setting, while I'm making a modification to left side, you will see the right side will also follow the same. You can check it on the right side. As you can see, the right side will also follow it. Okay. Also for the finger, We don't need to add or subtract anything. We just need to maybe blur everything up so it can default smoothly. Also, maybe we can blur out all the type. Yeah. Also for the shin. Yeah, we'll do it for the T now. So if the T can default smoothly. Yeah, then I'm done with the weight painting. For a simple character like that, the automated weight paint from the planner did pretty much good job with it. So I'm just demonstrating you how you can do it on other character that you have created. Just try out. So we will go back to the object mode by pressing Ctrl and Shift, Ctrl and Tab, and select object mode. So I will select all the pole and remove the rotation, location, and transform. So press Alt and R to remove the rotation, Alt and G to remove the location transform. Okay. And now what I am going to do is I will make some kind of control for our wrist in the feet. We don't need that kind of control in the other part of our character. Since this is a very simple character, we don't need any other control. We will need a angle constraint on the feet so we can transform it by just one pole. So now let's create a angle constraint on the feet. So I will also explain what is angle on the way there. So right now, to move the feet, we have to animate starting from thigh to shin to feet. So we have to animate a lot of bone right now. So this is called the forward kinematic animation. So we have to start from the base to the bottom. That's it. So what we will do right now is we will change it to the embark kinematic. So when we move just one bone here, the other bone on the top like shins or thigh will follow the same. If you are familiar with embark kinematic, I don't need to explain it further, but if you are not familiar with it, I will demonstrate how it will change. So what we will do is we will go to the edit mode by pressing tab, select this base of the bolt and extrude it by pressing E and snap it on the YZ like this. Pressing Y. Okay. So what we need to do right now is we have to remove the parent of it. So this bone right now is the parent of this shin bone, and we don't want this. So I will just press Alt and P to remove parent, clear parent, and choose clear parent. Now it can move freely. And I will rename it both to, let's say, P and K. So what I will do right now, I will just delete this phone for now. We can summarize it later. And select this the cable and select the shampoo. And we have to go to the pause mode to add the IK constraint. So we have to press Control and Tab and choose full mode. And to add constraint, we can press Control Shift and C for the constraint setting. But remember, we have to select this zoom bone first. We have to select this IK bone firstly, and then the shin bone by pressing Shift and press Control Shift and C to for the constraint setting. And in the constraint setting, we have to choose Invert Kinematic. So now we have applying and we have put the Invert Kinematic constraint in the shampoo. We can set the constraint in the constraint tab, constraint property tab. Here we can see the IK constraint right now. So what happens when we move the IK pole is the rest of our mesh will follow it like this. But we don't want the rest of the bone to follow it. We only want these two thigh and shin bone to follow it if I can event it. So what we can do right now is select this shin bone with the constraint, and in the chain left we will just put 1 2, so 2, and when we move the IK bone, it will only transpose these two bone. Then we set the chain at 2. As you can see, we don't have to move all the bone to make the feet move. We just have to move the IK bone, so it's become a lot easier. And making the feet IK Invert Kinematic is very a common practice in regions animation. So I would suggest you to do that. So we can move right now just by selecting this IK bone. So what I will do right now is go back to the edit mode, select all the bone, and press right click and symmetrize it. So it will also translate it to the right side of our character, and go back to the pose mode to see it. And this is symmetrize, but it's symmetrize from the right side to left side. So we will just undo it by pressing Ctrl Z. So maybe I will just select this one left side of our character. So it will symmetrize from left side to right side. Select all the bone, or maybe just the two bone. Doesn't matter right now. And so select this one. Right click, symmetrize. And it symmetrizes to the right side of our character, as you can see. Right now, we can control how the leg work, but we cannot control the directions of our knee. So to do that, we can add another bone around the knee. So we will go back to the edit mode. We will now add a bone called pose, IK pose bone. We have to clear parent to the bone first, and clear parent and move it in the Y direction to the front. So press G and Y to move it, and I will name this bone P and K O. So I will just delete the bone from the right side. So we can go back to the pose mode by pressing Ctrl and Tab for the pose mode. And in the pole target, we have to select the objects first. The object is the amateur object, so I will choose amateur. So we have to choose the pole again, which is going to be the pole. So we can just type in pole and PIT poles and we can just choose it. Now the bone head down to the back, but don't worry, we can fix it by adjusting the bone angle. Okay, so let's adjust it like this. And then add around 175.5 degree is specific for me. It may be different from you. So you can just go back to the edit modes and post mode and check it work. So I will show you how you can check. I will just maybe do it like that. It's not working, so I will just go back to it. And just it's not it's the same in the edit mode and post mode. So you can also check it between edit mode and post mode to make sure your bone is in the right place. Okay, and then what we can do is go back to the edit mode, select all the bone from the feet, left side of the feet, and then right click, symmetrize it. So it will also translate it into the right side of our character. So we can now go back to the post mode and check the bone and how it works. So when we move the bone, as you can see, the direction of our feet has changed. We can control it right now. We cannot control it with just one angle. We can control it with both bone. Okay, it's maybe a little complicated for the beginner, but I think after some practicing, maybe you will get used to it. So the angle constraint is the more basis of the region. So and then you should get used to it if you would like to bend your region. So we will only get this constraint for our character. So this is a simple character. We don't need any other constraint right now. So this is okay for our character. So we have finished the ridge, and you can test your ridge out and just play around with it before we start animating it in the next chapter. So I will see you in the next chapter, and thank you.